I just feel like I'm so pretty today, and I need to film this. Kasi there are times that I won't be feeling this and mapangitan ko sa aking face. So this is it for now. For the meantime, okay, I'm not really pretty always, my good. So just let me have this moment to feel pretty. Okay. I'm so pretty. I'm, I'm settled if my face will literally look like this long. It will be fine. However, if not, why not? It's okay if like this long and face ko may suwang is not really, doesn't really look taas at all. Para, para ko on. But anyways, thank you guys for watching my feeling pretty moments. And I gotta say this. Man, makita can even see that my teeth is so hangit, but I still like it. No, I don't like it. I just, I just want to be, I just want to be happy. That's why I'm accepting this. Ayun. Although may insecure pa rin ako sa mga makita kong teeth. Makita kong perfect ngipin ng iba. I know it's about proper hygiene, right? But this was like when, well, I had some depressive moments of my life and napabayaan ko na siya. And this is the result. So, I could not fix it since wala akong money. That's why